Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to do a face guasha massage to remove wrinkles and look 10 years younger. Gently apply essential oil or massage cream onto your face and the gua sha. First, let's start by activating Acupoints. Think of this as a warm-up. This step is crucial for jump-starting energy flow and setting up smooth circulation for the following gua sha. Gently massage in circular motions, the middle of the eyebrows. Then move to the temples, the outer corner of the eyes, and then to the inner corners at Jingming Acupoint. Then gently massage the corner of the mouth, above the upper lip, and then on the chin. Repeat these steps on the other side. The temple, the outer corner of the eyes, and then to the inner corners at Jingming Acupoint. Then gently massage the corner of the mouth. Now let's move on to the gua sha. Starting with the forehead, use this side to glide back along the center line. Do this 8 times to relieve mental fatigue and reduce frown lines. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, use the longer edge of the tool, sweeping from the center of the forehead upward along the meridians, covering both sides and repeating 5 times in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It feels so good. Now press gently in the lower middle of the forehead and massage in circular motions for 8 times. This step will help smooth out any fine lines between the eyebrows. Using the same technique, massage between the eyebrows for 8 counts. In traditional Chinese medicine, this area is connected to the heart and lungs. Gua sha here helps nourishing these parts of the body. Now we'll work on each side of the face separately, beginning with the right side. When later we move to the left side of the face, enjoy a calm, reflective moment without any voice guidance. Gently massage the temple 5 times. For the under eye area, gently move from the inner corner outward in small circles toward the outer corner. Be very gentle around your eye area because it's very sensitive. Repeat 5 times. If you're dealing with tear troughs, puffiness, or dark circles, this will help clear these areas. 5. Well done! Now moving to the lower face, use the longest edge of the gua sha to sweep from the nasolabial fold outwards. Repeat 5 times. 4, 5. For final lifting motion, gliding from the center of the chin along the jawline. This helps reduce any fine lines around the mouth. Repeat 5 times. 5. Let's switch to the other side. Finish off with your daily skincare routine. Massage twice a week for smooth, firm skin.